The Shen Dao neck release is a simple acupressure technique to relax the upper back, shoulders, neck and scalp, and can be used before or after an acupuncture treatment. It is a good technique to use if the patient is holding tension in the neck and shoulders, and is also useful in helping a patient to relax if they are feeling stressed, anxious or angry. The Shen Dao neck release uses a very light touch. The closest I could describe the amount of pressure is that it is as if you are trying to rest your fingertip on the surface of water. To carry out the Shen Dao neck release, apply light pressure for 20 to 30 seconds to the following points in the following order. Small intestine 9 on the left and right together. Small intestine 10 on the left and right together. Small intestine 13 on the left and right together. Gallbladder 21 on the left and right together. Gallbladder 20 on the left and right together. Then do 16 and do 20 together. And then do 20 and yin tang together. This completes the sequence of points for the Shen Dao neck release.